Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote Clickfunnels products as a beginner, or you can say how to promote Clickfunnels products as an affiliate, guys. So guys, if you are looking for how to promote Clickfunnels products, guys, and you are beginner, you are new to Clickfunnels affiliate marketing, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can promote Clickfunnels products, guys. I will show you one of the way, guys, to promote Clickfunnels product, guys, right? So guys, now here without any delay, let me show you how to promote Clickfunnels product, guys. So guys, here let's assume I'm going to promote Clickfunnels, one of the product, and that is one funnel away, or you can say one funnel away challenge training. Let's assume, this is the link, guys, that I'm gonna promote, right? So this is the training, guys, one funnel away challenge training that I'm going to promote. So guys, here what I will do, first I will go through the training, guys, right? Guys, understand this, never ever promote any training, guys, or any affiliate product that you haven't gone through personally, guys. So you first buy the product and go through the training, and when you see that yes, there is a great value in the training, it will solve the problem of your ideal customer, only then you go and start promoting that very product, guys. Never ever promote anything that you haven't used personally, guys. This business is all about trust. When trust is gone, your business is gone, guys. You tell me, I'm the actual user of this training, guys, right? Because I have gone through this one funnel away challenge training. And if someone comes to me and asks more information about one funnel away challenge training, guys, will I be in a better position to explain about the training? I hope your answer is yes, because I'm the actual user. But if that very person comes to you and asks more information about, you can say, this training, guys, now you tell me, will you be in a better position to explain about the product? I hope your answer is no, guys, right? Because you are not the actual user. So that's why this is very important to understand this, guys. First you go through, or you buy the product, guys, and go through the training, go through the product, and when you think it's a good product to promote, go and start promoting, right? So guys, now here in our case, so this is my product that I'm gonna promote, guys. So what I will do, I will go and grab the link, and then I will go to bit.ly, guys. I'm showing you, you can say, one of the way, right? It's a beginner way, guys, right? So it will not cost you too much, guys. So go to bit.ly, and then guys, here can you see that create? Go to create and make it short, guys, bit.ly, right? And then can you see that create? So guys, now this is my link, guys. Can you see that this is my link that I'm gonna promote, this one, guys. So I have copied this, right? And guys, here one more thing, I would say, never ever promote long looking affiliate link or ugly looking affiliate link, guys. This is not a good practice, right? So make it short through bit.ly, and yes, you can customize this link, guys. So just copy. Now guys, what's your next step? Simply go to your Facebook profile. Here I would say go and optimize your Facebook profile based on your niche. So as I'm into affiliate marketing, so considering my affiliate marketing niche, I have optimized my Facebook profile. So you can see that, guys. Let me show you. You can see that, guys. So I have optimized my Facebook profile, right? So guys, now here what I will do, simply I will go through the training, and I will make notes of the training. As you know that this training is for 30 days training. So every day whatever I will learn, I will share on my you can say Facebook profile. And at the end of my post, I will say, hey, by the way, if you want to check out this training, link is in my bio. So in my can say bio section, can you see that here I will put this affiliate link, guys, this one guys, right? So yes, that you can do. Can you see that edit details? And can you see that website section? Yes, website section, go to edit, and yep, edit, right? So here can you see that add a website? So I can go to add a website and put my affiliate link here, and then see you guys. That's it, guys, right? So guys, you will see there is a link in my back, you can say my bio section, guys. Let me show you. It will be showing, guys. Yeah, you can see that, right? So guys, now here what I will do, every day I will you can say share my notes that I'm you can say noting from one funnel level challenge training. By the way, you can see that, guys, as I'm doing your first funnel training, so every day whatever I'm learning, I'm sharing on my profile, guys. You can see day 2 of your first funnel training. Today I was the training and I was like, wow. So guys, here are my notes of day 2 training. So whatever I learned, I have just simply shared it. And then can you see that, by the way, if you want to join your first funnel training, then link is in my bio section. Simple, guys. Do it every day, guys, and without thinking that nobody is buying, guys. Do it every day. And here, guys, yes, one more thing I would say, start adding people to your friend list, guys. Those somewhere related to affiliate marketing, somewhere related to online business, right? Start adding such people to your friend list and remove those people, those who are not into your niche. Guys, treat your Facebook profile as a you can say as a business profile, guys, right? Don't think that, hey, if I remove my friend, what he will think, what she will think. Come on, guys, you are here for doing business, so think like a businessman, right? So yes, add new people, those who are related to your affiliate marketing niche or online business, right? And you remove those people, those who are not into your affiliate marketing thing or online business thing, or those who are not engaging with your content, guys, right? Add new and remove those who are just, you can say, unengaged people, guys, right? So keep doing that. Slowly you will see that you have you can say whose friend list, those who are related to your niche. So yes, guys, if you provide daily value, right, on your profile, slowly you will see that out of these people, someone will approach to you and they will buy from you. Why? Because you are providing value through your Facebook profile, guys, right? So guys, this is one of the way, guys, I'm telling you, one of the way to promote Clickfunnels products, guys, right? So keep doing that, guys. You can see David, I have done this, right? So just attended live Zoom coaching of your first funnel training, right? So whatever I learned, I shared it, guys, and you can see that. Yes, if you want to join your first funnel training, then check out link in my bio, guys, right? So if they go to my link, so if they go and click on the link, then they will find the training. Can you see that? Click here to join first funnel training, so you can launch your first or next funnel and collect at least 1000 leads in less than 30 days, guys, right? So if they go and click, and if they decide to buy, then guys, I will make commission, guys. So in your case, guys, here I'm assuming that you have only your link, guys, in your bio section. So yes, if they go, like, if you write your day 1 notes, right, and you share it on your profile, and at the end of the, you can say, post, you say, hey, by the way, if you want to know more, or if you want to register for one funnel level challenge training, then go and check out the link in my bio. So they will go, and if they think that yes, it's a good product to you can say go through, or this is the training that they are looking for that will solve their problem, then they will go and they will buy and be able to make commission, guys, right? So this is, you can say, one of the way, guys, to promote Clickfunnels products, guys. And yes, again I would say, guys, be consistent on your profile, guys, in providing valuable content, right? Yes, if possible, you can share your notes through your video, guys. If you are more you can say confident in shooting video, then yes, you can share your content of one funnel of challenge training on daily basis through video, guys. You can do Facebook Live. It's up to you, guys. It's up to you, guys. But here overall idea is that be consistent, guys. Be consistent on your profile in providing daily valuable content. It can be in written format or in video format. It's up to you, guys, right? Because, guys, understand this, nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. So your every content is like a salesman, right? So when someone reads, they start you can say they start knowing you. Oh yes, there is a guy in the market. Then when they see more and more and more and more content from you that are available, then they will start knowing you, they will start liking you, and finally they will start trusting on you. Oh yes, this guy is a great guy, he is providing daily available content and he is the right guy to approach. So yep, someone will approach and they will make purchase through your affiliate link, right? So that's how you promote Clickfunnels products, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if there is anything or if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? So yes, guys, and yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is a button, and there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yep, thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.